Okay guys, today we're going to talk about servicing your portable generator. This generator, it has done 100 hours already. So I want to show you here. It has 104 hours. So I'm supposed to service it at 100 hours, but I'm doing it at 100 hours. Let's talk about the tools that you're going to need to service your generator. The first thing that you're going to need is oil, and you're going to need plugs. You're also going to need a screwdriver. You can use an electric screwdriver, drill, or a manual screwdriver. But if you use this one, obviously you're going to get tired and you're going to have to use a lot of muscles. Sprainer and a funnel for putting in your oil. So another thing that is important is you need to run a generator for at least 10 minutes so that the oil can get hot inside. Now I want to show you on the other side how to remove oil once you have run it and it's hot. You remove this panel, pop it out, and what you do once you are inside is to take this pipe, you open it and you take the oil out. The reason I'm not going to do that today is because I've already changed the oil, so I'm not going to bother changing that oil. So I'm going to put that cover back and come to this side. Now this is called a spark arrestor. You use this thing is used to stop a generator from creating fires. If you don't have this net here, this one here, the generator can spit out sparks and eventually cause fire. You don't want that. You need a generator with a spark arrestor. You also need to remove the spark arrestor and actually clean the mesh. Now come this side, I will show you. This side, this is the side where you're going to remove your spark plug. What you do here, you remove this nuts here. You remove it like that. Now once you've removed that, you remove the boot for the plug like that. And then you remove your spark plug. You remove your spark plug from your engine and actually inspect it. You can put a new one, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to clean it because I know it should be fine until 250 hours. I just want to show you how you do this. Yeah, here's your spark plug. You actually inspect it. You can tell if your engine is running rich, but if there is oil residue, then you'll know it's running rich. So I'm happy with this one. I'm just going to put it back. The other thing that you need to do is to remove your air filter. This is how you remove it. Each and every generator is going to be different, but this is how you do it on a Gentech. You pop that air filter cover and you remove this. This is your air filter. You actually clean it. But I'm running mine inside the building. It's not really dirty. So I'm not going to clean this one because it's not really dirty. The other thing that you need to do, you need to check the battery. You need to check how much voltage is present inside your battery. That way your generator will always run nicely. We got 13 volts there, so the battery is good. I've checked the air filter is clean, the spark plug is good. The last thing that I need to do, the last thing that you need to do when servicing your generator is actually to check all the nuts and bolts to make sure they are not loose, because when the generator is running, it actually causes vibration. And when your generator is in use, make sure that nothing is blocking your vents. This is your grill vents. Inside this generator there's an inverter. At the back there's an inverter, so you want those vents to be clear so that it can get cold. Yeah, another thing that I want to mention, when running your generator, this is your running watts, this is your starting watts. Make sure you do not exceed this when running your generator, because you can shorten its life. Yeah, I'm gonna put back everything. I hope you learned something. Generators are expensive and we need to look after our equipment.